Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your virtual piano teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of this channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel, Gianluca Fronda, pianist and composer, if you're interested in original music and covers. Talking about this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let me know about yourself by commenting. Tell me when you have started, if you're finding my channel interesting and you're improving your skills also thanks to my videos. And don't forget also to share with your friends if there is anybody interested in piano music, anybody that you know. So now time to go to our lesson. Today is time to play the Banjo Picker. We are on page 37 of the Thompson Series Piano Course Part 1. This is the second last piece of the book. Finally we are at the end of this Thompson Part 1. As usual, I want to first of all play at a higher speed, then I will explain a few things, and then again at slower speed. Position Thompson Part 1, obviously, the classical position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. So, regarding the Banjo Picker, there is nothing special that has to be explained, because you are finally using more the last note that has been added in the previous one, in the rickshaw, where we have discovered the F played by the little finger of the left hand, the finger number 5, the little finger. Indeed, in the Banjo Picker we are playing more Fs. Obviously there are not that many, but this is obviously the only element that is quite new. The other notes are all as usual, the same ones. At the end of this book I'm sure that you know how to count correctly, how to consider the notes in terms of length, in terms of names as well. Please be advised, memorize as much as you can the notes, because then from the beginning of Thompson Part 2 we will have to finally start extending the amount of notes. We will have to add few notes in the right hand, few notes in the left, and more and more and more, because remember that we have 88 keys that have to be played. If you have a very small size keyboard of 61 keys, 5 octaves, that one is not the full size. The full size is this one, 88 big long keys, from very low note that is A, you will discover, to a very high note that is the C, is the last C of the keyboard. There are pianos that are even bigger than this, but please learn very well the notes. Now time to play it very slow to help you studying it better. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. So, that's all. The Banjo Picker is exactly the one that I've just played. Not that complicated. Maybe, yeah, for me, not that complicated. Maybe it could be due to the little finger of the left hand. So if you have any question If I didn't mention anything that you would need, simply let me know by commenting. And if it's the first time that you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.